What we've seen over the course of the past 23 months has been mischaracterised by many as a war. And it's not a war. It is a one-sided attack by an apartheid state. It is an escalation of a decades-long attempt to completely obliterate an entire population of people. A man-made famine, live-streamed on our phones. The first group in history to experience genocide, broadcasted in real time, and still not be believed. We, on these benches, believe the Palestinian people, and we stand with them. How much more suffering do you need to see before you will believe them? Before you will stand up against it? Where is your humanity? I don't profess to be a better Christian than anyone else in this house, but I know right from wrong. But today I have yet again heard people attempting to apply nuance to the starving of men, women, children and babies. So let me be really clear. There is no nuance.
Mire, señora Ayuso, ¿sabe lo que significan los colores de esta bandera? Le está diciendo que no con la cabeza. Señora Ayuso, sea más discreta, que no se note que da tantas órdenes. Mire, el negro representa el exilio que sufrió el pueblo palestino, el blanco, la paz, y el verde, la esperanza de poder vivir en una tierra fértil. El rojo es la sangre derramada de cientos de miles de palestinos. Esta es la bandera que usted persigue, señora Ayuso, la de la paz, la dignidad de un pueblo perseguido y la esperanza en una tierra fértil. Mire, Ayuso, está usted más fuera que dentro, porque este es el Madrid que hace 20 años dijo que no a la guerra de Aznar. Este es el Madrid que el domingo dijo que no a un genocidio. Este es el Madrid que cada vez tiene más claro que no tienen lugar personas sin corazón, sin humanidad, sin dignidad. Señora Ayuso, está usted más fuera que dentro. Váyese y ahorrese el bochorno.
I mean, this is a record. I am the first UN person to be imposed sanctions for what? For having exposed the genocide? For having denounced the system? I mean, they've never challenged me on the facts. I've given these companies the opportunity to correct me. Instead, they've gone whining to the US administration to treat me as they are. It's okay. This speaks to who they are. I continue to do what I have to do. Yes, of course it will be challenging, but what I want to say, if a human being, I'm just a human being, I'm not even paid to do what I'm doing, okay? So I'm putting really everything I have in the line. If I can do that, all of you, all your people, all your politicians and my people can do at least that. Together we can stand this pressure, and together we can really get out of this genocide as with a hope for a better world, because otherwise it will be much worse.